So it's fake, race reversal, and player is starting to because
Toda princesa dá pra 17.
everyone listen to was fake referee.